So we are having a redesign, not too big a redesign of my office. I really like this unit, is fantastic, really want to keep it, love these. So they're all sort of a medium wood, even my desk is a medium wood. So basically FlexiSpot are sponsoring me again and they're sending me a new desk, which I'm really excited about because I'd love to be able to felt standing up and give it a go and see if it works. Just to have the option will be fantastic. So with the desk changing, I thought I would also, let me stand back a bit because my room's not that big, change this area because it's getting to me that it's so messy. Yes, of course I could like put all the bags and stuff in the garage, but I don't want them in the garage. I need all the stuff that's here. So I've had a sort of chat with my husband and he's helped me and gone over it all, and I really want one of the big IKEA units, the Kallax units, because you just fit so much in, but they don't do sort of a medium wood colour, that sort of colour. So I was like, well, white doesn't go, and then I thought, well, I'll get the light colour, the sort of piney wood, and it would sort of go with the door quite well. But then I don't want to change anything else and it would look really odd. So I am going for the black one, which I'm like, yeah, it will go because I've got this black here. The new desk that's coming, it's got 4 legs, so it's really sturdy. And it's, you know, the electric one, obviously, that goes up and down, and I'll show you that in a bit. But I thought I'd just go through the office now and show you everything before because I always forget to film this. But the desk has got black legs, so it will go really, really well and it will look good against the green. And I'm getting it with some shelves, open shelves, and then some drawers, and then some sort of cubby holes that you open. Because I thought when I went to that IKEA and looked and saw that they do drawers for it, it's so good. So I've got 10, so it's 5 across, so I've got 10 drawers and 5 cubby holes with fronts on, so they'll hide stuff. And then I've got another 10 drawers that I've ordered because you can order a unit with stuff in it already. So I'm going to have loads of drawers to put like all of these things in. This unit is so heavy. I got it off eBay. Oh my God, it's the heaviest thing in the world to move, but I'm going to sell these two. And I got these two both secondhand. So I did really, really well, got them for a good price. So I'll sell them secondhand as well. And then I can put my books into some of the units, the sort of open units at the top. So I'm really looking forward to it. My mushrooms will all be up there. The only thing I'm going to have to move are the pictures. And I kind of thought I might put all the pictures on this wall because I do love, if I make any sheep heads or cow heads, they go on there really, really well. So I want to keep that. But yeah, that's my plan so far. Exciting. So you're going to be with me and I'll do some time lapses of making everything up and show you the FlexiSpot desk. So here's the new Kallax unit. It's all arrived. I thought it'd be in one biggish box, and then extra drawers as well, and they've just delivered it. I can't tell if the extra drawers are there or not. I think they are. I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who knows? Right, so have a bit of fun unloading all of this in time. Dogs are just checking it out for me. Gracie, is it all good? Does it qualify? Yeah, oh no, might not be approved. Just done a quick video for my autumnal makes, and then I took my pictures off the wall. They're just down on the floor. Most of them came off. They had those like commando strips on the back, and oh my God, 2 of them were so firm. But unfortunately, a couple have taken some of the wall off. Let me show you. What would you do? The unit is going to cover it. No one's going to know. Maybe I'll let my husband fill them in a little bit, but let me show you them. There you go. So it's gone back to the plasterboard. It's so annoying that everything else came off perfectly. So I don't need to repaint, so it will be a bit faster, but I'll see. Maybe we'll just fill those in quickly. There's all my autumnal makes.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can take it one more day.
So that's empty, done. I'm going to sell it. I only painted the front of it. I'm not going to get much, but I am going to still put it up for sale. So I'm going to take some photos, going to put it in the garage. Then we're going to look at these bits. And then I'm going to do that one, pile that all up. It's amazing. That was 4 bags worth, so not too bad. This is going to be a lot more and very, very heavy. I've got all of my cards there. So, but yeah, I'll take pictures and then we'll do that. Draw unit out, cards and leaflets. I've put them all up there because they're so heavy. I'm not taking them far. Again, if you were with me, I think I ordered about 1,000 thank you cards. It's ridiculous. Got so many. Right, let's do this one.
Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me strong.
So here we are. We have made up the big Kallax unit. It's absolutely huge. Let me stand as far back as I can. There it is. Now, can't put the drawers in yet because I've got cupboards, drawers, and then these are going to be open with wool in them because we've got to repair. I've got the paint coming because I didn't have the paint, so my husband's filled in these patches here that were really bad, so I'm waiting for the paint. Let me just stand over here and show you. Now so that's my normal backdrop, but now I've got these cardboard boxes, tubes, which I really like. I'm going to be putting wool in them. You will see it'll all come together. But this table was going to go this way. However, I'm getting the new table in, which we're going to do in a bit. That is the FLEXISPOT table, which goes up and down. And I was going to have it this way. However, I might turn it round and then have this as an option as a backdrop and the other side as a backdrop. I am going to think about that because the rim here is going to be it's a little bit wider, but it's a little bit narrower. And I was thinking, would I be happy sitting facing the wall, looking out the window? Probably. But I just can't wait to tidy it all. I'm going on my retreat tomorrow, waiting for the paint, and then it's next weekend. So this will be over the space of another week, tidying this all up. I'm just gonna show you, I've been building the drawers, so sitting down here, everything I need. And they're not hard, you know. They're so good. I really recommend this unit. I'm just fitting them all myself. These are cupboards. So I can fit all of my sort of heavy, everything's sort of gone off the side there. So I'm starting to tidy as I go. But yeah, these are all drawers, which I know is a lot of drawers, but I've got a lot of little things, and then I'm going to fill in up there. So yeah, really pleased with this unit so far. So here we are getting to the exciting bit. I've decided to change my curtains for a blind. We're also just going to attach the unit to the wall just for safety. My husband wanted to do it, so that's really good. We're just going to put a little metal thing there. So this is the E7 Plus, and that's the black walnut desktop colour. It's so beautiful. In all transparency, the first top did arrive damaged. This is the rattan brown colour, which I really, really liked. But they sent me another one. I mean, I couldn't use that at all. It had a massive crack in it. But they sent me the black walnut, so that was good because the rattan brown was out of stock, I think, for a week, and we had to get on with it. But this desk is the E7 Plus. It is super easy to put together. It's really sturdy. It takes something like up to 200 kilograms. It's got a 4 preset memory height. So, you know, it's electric and it goes up and down, but you can preset heights if you want. It goes from 66 centimetres to 131, so you can sit down or stand up, which is the whole point. I want to try standing. Different size tabletops. I think I got a 160 by 80. You can tie up all the cables underneath. It's got a 10-year warranty, comes in lots of different colours. So all the information will be in my description below. So here I am, needle felting, standing up. And I have to say, it was a brilliant experience. It was so nice to have the option to do that. Really easy to do. I'd probably go a little bit higher. It's so easy to go up and down with this desk. It's super, super smooth. So I have to say, I loved it for standing up, but do you know what I really liked it for? So that's the height I had it at. What I really thought was good is when I sat down, so that's showing it the standing up height. But when I sat down, my desk had always been quite low, and this sort of, it's nice to get a right angle with your arm, and I can move the desk up. So when I'm sitting down, I'm so much more comfortable. I've got it sort of right up underneath my chest there, and I can really get my elbows on and support the elbows, which helps with the shoulders and the back. So I love it. Just to consider when you're going up and down, make sure it doesn't touch anything at the side. Like I've got shelves up above, so I have to be conscious of the light. The light moves out of the way. So that's something you've got to plan ahead. But as a desk, it's so sturdy. And that's why, because I do the sewing on it, I decided I definitely wanted the one with the 4 legs, and I'm so pleased with it. So a massive thank you to FLEXISPOT for gifting me this desk. So here we are, the room is all done. I'll just give you a tiny tour. So I've put my spinning wheel down there. I've put some of my pictures up here. Look, this was sent. This is a diamond painting sent by one of my lovely subscribers. And then this is Grandma's Footsteps, Wendy. She did that picture there. And I've got some of the others in the actual unit itself. Sewing kit up the top. And then I've got all my kit bags along the top, and they just fit there so neatly. I'm really happy with them up there, and I can just pull them out. Some of them store wool as well, so it's not all like projects I'm working on. And then I've done all my pot plants. I used to have them all on a stand, so I've put them all over the place. And see the drawers, pom-poms, I've just like filled up every single drawer. And it's just like taken all of the stuff that I had before. I've got one bag to go through, and then all the big shelves at the bottom are great for the heavy items. I've got my wool. I've made it look pretty, and I'm really pleased with it. That's my Dear Emma crochet bag, and yeah, and I've got this special light. I'll put it on in a bit for you. I needed a little charger, so I'm just sorting that out. And I got these candles too. I've got all my books in there. That's my bags, but I just think it looks really pretty, and some of the pictures I put in there as well. And so here's the desk, complete with a little dog asleep underneath. She loves it because she can still get in there, so that's good. And it's just so nicely laid out. The blind has really helped widen the window. It's like a sage green colour. I was going to go for a pattern one, and I'm so pleased I didn't, but yeah, it's really widened it all up. And then I've got all of my crochet items. That's Kaylee's owl from Home Tea Knits. And there's some pieces that I've done recently and a while ago. And then, yeah, I've still got to keep the kits up there. And then some of my more special, or more favourite colours. I can't say all of it's special, the wool, isn't it? But some of my more favourite pieces, and then my needle felted bits. And then I've put some of my needle felted bits out the back in boxes in storage as well, just to make a bit more room. And then I've got my cardboard tubes. Now you can fit 100 grams in these, and I just love them. I haven't even filled them all up. I've got some more to fill, but see how deep they are? You have to be able to fit your hand in. So I fit my hand in either end so I can reach all the way through, but I'm super happy already using them. That's my Christmas cushion. Which is great. It's out a little bit early, and then I've still got that stand with some of my scarves that I've crocheted, and my little board with all of my special bits and pieces on. And then of course the mushrooms look great up there. Do you know, it has really, that black unit's really neatened up the room beautifully. I've got a couple of mushrooms still to add from Pat and Kathy. I do know Pat, they're on the other tree, you'll see them in a minute. So I've got to add those. If I get into Wonderwool Wales, I might reopen it and just see if anyone else wants to send any mushrooms in. But here we are at night time with my light lit up. So super happy with the change. It's a much more calm environment for me to go into. Massive thank you to FLEXISPOT. All the details will be in the description below for any of their discounts, any of their offers on at the moment. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Take care. Don't forget, FLEXISPOT have a Black Friday sale 28th of November to the 1st of December with a 10% discount code. And if you prefer a cleaner cable management and a two-legged desk, check out the E7 Flow.